Kapitan Rizal. It's currently 10 p.m. and nagpapahinga kami lahat. Now as you can see, nandito ako sa front passenger seat ng aming car na kanya-kanya rin setup. Ngayon, yung nagtatanong kayo nasa mga kapatid ko ganito ganyan, nandun sila sa taas. And yun yung bago. Meron ng roof tent. And right now, nagpapahinga lang ako. Later on, kapag magpapahinga na rin sila, si father ko nasa tabi ko, si mother nasa likod, which is dito sa middle sa backseat. And yeah, kasama namin ngayon yung friends ni Daddy, which is si Kuya Lay at si Kuya Ricky. And ipapakita namin kung ano yung setup nila. So as of now, yun muna. Aray ko! So yeah, ito, the MUX and roof tent. Mamaya na natin papakita to para at least naiya pa kasi sila. And right now, nag-usap sila Daddy, ganyan. And sila yan. Now, right beside the cottage, ito ang setup ni Kelly. So, ang kanyang, ang tawag doon, rig. Na tinatawag. Rig. Meron din silang roof tent, nandun sa taas sila ate. And dito naman, at this side, sila Kuya Ricky naman and his friends. Nagpapahinga na rin sila since it's very late. Ayan. Hindi lang kita yung roof tent pero merong roof tent dyan. Ito naman. Ano lang. Nandun sila. Meron titignan. And right now, meron yung baba. After you. Ako na ba? Papakita ko lang sila. Hello, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Nandan, say hi. Tishan, nasan ka? Ayan. So, yeah. Trikpan sila yun na lang kami kasi sobrang lamig. O nga pala, kakaulan lang kasi. Kaya ang lamig. Kaya, ayan. Right now, nagpapahinga lahat ng tao. And if there's any more updates, kakausapin ko kayo. But as of now, magpapahinga lang din ako since napagod ako from our road trip towards here. So yan, nagbabalik. It's around 11, 12, ganun. Ayan, nakapag-ayos na kami lahat, which is yan, yung tatlong rigs. And as of now, we're planning to take pictures, videos before kami umalis. So it's been, I don't know, a worthwhile experience since ang dami rin nangyari kagabi. And ako, as much as onti lang naging tulog ko, I was very happy with it. So with that, just to give you an update, uwi na kami neto. Dadaan na kami sa dati ng pinagdaanan or baka mag-iba. And I'll see what I can do or what I can say later on. Pero as of now, yun na muna ang masasabi ko. And yan ang tatlong rigs. Dako naman sila kuya. Say hi kuya! Ayan.
Hello.
Sila Kuya Ricky and friends. Sige. Yan, sila mami. And sila Kuya Lea. Hello. Ayan. Hi. Ayan, sila Kuya Lea. Hi. Hello. Hi. So yun na. Wala naman na mangyayari. It's just us going home with our rigs. So, bye everyone.